channel, riding through the streets, they be like, hey, go.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your man, Dr. Kicks, back at it again with our second installment, whipping up some of that good mail time cops, Grail mail coming at you. Right now, what we have is 5 different packages I ordered over the past week or 10 days. So I'm gonna start it off with a small package from Nike. This was from a recent Nike drop. Kobe got his number 8 and number 24 retired. So I went and copped one of the graphic Kobe tees. This shirt's really fresh in my opinion. I got the Black Mamba symbol on the sleeve. GOAT right here with one of Kobe's iconic photos and showing that he's a 5-time champion. Next up, what we got is Nike Dunk and Soulland collab. That's pretty awesome. This is from Premier, so they kind of gave me a little shout out on the receipt. So that's always awesome when they have a little personal customer touch. It's always nice customer service. Comes in the Nike SB box. Got some Premier stickers. And I'm not too big of a fan of lows, so I had to cop the high version. These are the Soulland Nike Dunk collab. And these shoes are really cool in my opinion. They have the double swoosh going on. They have really deconstructed feel on this tongue, and the ankle sock liner here is really thin, and the leather on the toe box is extremely plush, so the materials on here are A1, top notch. So that's a really cool collaboration. Next up, let's go with our friends over at Soul Steals. And this is something for you guys that know me, know I'm a foam head. So when I saw these available in my size 12, I had to pick them up. See the old school foam box. Blue Mirror Nike Air Foamposite 1. I got these for a ridiculous steal price. So I had to pick them up. Dead stock, you don't see these too often in this condition and for the price that I got them, so I was extremely thrilled. I had to pick them up. These are one of my all-time favorite foams. We have something from Nike. You see the white tape, so you know that's our friends in Oregon. And this shoe I got for reselling purposes. Dropped the exact same day as the Yeezys. These are the Kyrie 4 confettis. So something you guys need to look out for when you're reselling is there's a strategy that some people implement. It's called fading the public. So if everybody is going for some hype release, that means they're forgetting about other releases. And every shoe has some inherent value. So there's so many tools that you can utilize with StockX or GOAT or just looking at social media and seeing how hyped up a shoe is. And like that's exactly what I did with these shoes. So these are the Kyrie 4 confettis, and they dropped the same day as the Yeezys. So while everyone was going for the Yeezys, I went and got the Kyrie 4 confettis. So these shoes are really cool. You see the dual color tones. They're just a really fun shoe. And actually I was pretty surprised with the market value. These shoes were going for almost 100% over the price premium. So this was definitely a good shoe to get as a reseller. We do have that aforementioned Yeezy. So sometimes it works out where you can end up going against the public to get a shoe that's hyped, as well as getting that hype shoe, which is nice. And this shoe I was actually able to secure through Yeezy Supply when they had their second restock after that first initial one. This is it. See the 350 box. You guys already know what it is. These are the blue tint Yeezys. These are actually a pretty cool colorway. for the Yeezy, the V2s. I'm not too big on V2s myself. In hand, these look pretty cool. They're interesting pattern, but I think that overall, I'm going to resell these. I don't think these are gonna stay with me. I just think it's really hard to match these with some colors with this weird kind of zebra pattern on the upper. But not a bad shoe. You have the boost, so you know it's comfortable. The blue is pretty subtle, so it doesn't take away too much from the overall Yeezy design. So those were my mail time pickups. Comment down below which you thought was the best, and let me know what you guys have been picking up lately or what you guys have your eye on for the next couple of drops. It's your man Dr. Kicks, and I'm out.